Here you can see 7 separate Claude instances, several with sub-agents that are running. And you can see these in VS Code or your terminal. Let me drag a code window over. You can see the same text going through in the agents. Let's zoom in and take a look at what our agents. You can see they're thinking, coding, any of their actions. The sub-agents are coming, getting new commands. This one's spawning more agents. Now it's thinking. Now if we go down and we click on, we can see the most recent processes. You notice the context window is filling up. Open folder, transcripts. You can send it another command that'll add to the queue. Like, keep on going. You could stop it if you wanted to. Added a little microphone if you want to talk to it. Yeah, let's open up the transcript on the side. We can close this up and take a look at one of our other agents. If you notice, I added these 1, 2, 3, up, down, left. Occasionally you'll get Claude asking you a specific question and wanting you to select multiple choice. That's why that is there. Now let's go up to Manage Projects and Components. This will list all your current projects based on a folder. So you have a source code folder. You can spawn new ones, or you can edit existing ones, start up an instance if it's not running, edit your skills, your agents, your hooks, MCP. You can move one to another one. Say like, is this secure? Starts it up. I have my options where it dangerously skips, but you don't have to. It's an option that we have set up. So now that instance is running, and now it spawned a sub-agent, the security auditor, to make it secure. So the next thing to look at under manage would be usage and costs. If you can see how much I would have spent if I used an API key. Now, if we click on the agents, you'll see up at the top, this one would have cost 1,700 in token costs. See how full my context window is. Yes, another thing you can do from that window, see a little GitHub link. Assuming you have it uploaded to GitHub, you can. There are so many options that I want you to be surprised when you go through. I mean, here's a different view. If you like pixel art or abstract images, you can see all the lines connecting all the different agents, main orchestrator to the sub-agents. You can use that same desktop down view that's in the office. Or I made it where you can upload your own images for each different action. You can, reading, coding, completed, spawning, researching, reviewing, the built-in tasks for the Claude. You can select all projects or a specific one if you just want to monitor one project at a time to make sure that sub-agents are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Head back to the office floor. This was the easiest view for me to see and make sure that it's doing the work I need it to do. You can spawn up a new task for any of your existing projects. What's cool is you notice some of the agents are clocking out. Whenever they're done working, they run up there to the little time clock. Say, gotta go. Tell me what you think.